Hi guys, it's Bina, and I want to show you this wash and go I did. Yes, look at her in all her glory. Fresh wash with conditioner. Now you may not be able to tell, but right now I'm sectioning my hair into four sections. Now, you know, the normal person would use a comb, but I don't like using combs. So I just detangle with my hands as I go. This is the Let It Grow Hair Growth Serum. I actually got this from Gia. And I'm not sure the salon she works at, but yeah, this is what I use on my hair. It's really good. Then I'm gonna take some water, get some moisture going on, you know. I'm gonna take this detangling brush and try to detangle my hair. As y'all can see, it hurt. I hate detangling my hair, it hurts, and I'm trying to play it off. This is the Extreme Gel. Y'all do not get the blue kind. If you're gonna use this one, get the clear, because I tried the blue gel and it did not work for me. So I'm just gonna take a little bit of that and rub it into my hair. And then you're gonna take the detangling brush and you're just gonna brush it through there. And you should start seeing your curls forming. See? So pretty. It's pretty. And make sure you get your roots. Okay, so yeah, this is an important step. Make sure you pulling them apart and twisting them with your finger, because that defines the curl. It's all good. So far, so good. So far, so good. I actually do the finger twirl. I started the back bead. Like, you can twirl your fingers like in a bigger section, if that makes sense. And when you get to the front, I do smaller sections, because in the front you kind of want it more defined. So, you know, and you can see what I'm talking about as the video goes along. that. I am very satisfied with the way it came out. Okay, so this is the next morning. I took it down. I have not sprayed it or anything. And as you can see, like the curls have like shrunk a little. And I'm going to go back in with that same oil I used and just pick apart my curls. And I love it. I just love a good wash and go. Y'all, the gel is really good. Like, this is like the only gel I've used. And it just does me good, like, every time. Like, you can't go wrong with this gel. Okay, and this is the finished look. And if you enjoyed this video, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel at Isbina. It would be so much appreciated. And until next time, toodaloo.